I want to talk about the OLED Switch.
Okay.
Have you seen it in person yet?
No.
It's
Would
better.
that even been possible? Didn't you guys get like a...
No, we didn't get an early unit. I think it's like on store shelves right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Love you, Nintendo, but you do a lot of things weird.
They tried to work with us for a little bit there.
Yeah, no, we did get one from Nintendo.
Oh, just late.
It's just like a week and a half after like Austin uploaded his video. I'm like,
nice.
Okay.
Sweet.
I mean, you know what? Honestly, I can see why console makers do prioritize him. He hits hard
for sure. No, he does a great
in
job.
consoles.
Yeah.
But I actually don't think that was like an organized strategy. I think it was just Nintendo being just being
Yikes.
Nintendo a little bit.
Yeah.
So I tried it. The bigger screen, so much better. Like actually, like I'm looking at it going, I haven't touched Breath of the Wild since I beat it. And I'm like, I need to jump back into Hyrule here. I'm gonna play some more Breath of the Wild. I didn't try the new Metroid game, but I'm definitely going to play it. I've got a code in my inbox, so I'll check that out. And I had a lot of concerns about blowing up the size of the screen while maintaining 720p resolution. Yeah. I shouldn't say a lot of concerns. I had some concerns. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. I am disappointed.
I'm surprised it's like, I know you're saying it's okay, but I'm surprised it's that bad. I thought it was honestly going to make not much of a difference.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
Well, the thing is, it doesn't make a huge difference. It's just that if you have sharp eyes, you probably already weren't a huge fan of the 720p display.
Fair. Yeah.
And the good news is that it's 720p RGB, not pentile. So if it was 720p but a pentile subpixel arrangement, I was concerned about that. But it's an RGB OLED panel, and it looks pretty darn good. The biggest disappointment for me, I think, is that the rumored technology they're working on with NVIDIA to use DLSS, like to use machine learning upscaling, did not make it into this model. What I wonder is if the rumored Switch Pro just isn't this. If this is the new base model, they upgraded it in some way so that they could do a pricing adjustment because the cost difference between the OLED panel and the old one is not $50. Mm-hmm. So they're basically just jacking up the price of the regular Switch, and maybe we're still going to get a Switch Pro. That's kind of what I'm wondering.
I have, obviously it's cool, be great to have one. Yeah. I have been not interested in purchasing one at all at any point because of essentially that.
I bought it.
Not only is I'm sure that's fine.
Yeah.
Not only is the Steam Deck coming, and that was kind of my big purchase as of late.
Yeah, that's a big purchase.
But I can't shake the idea that not only is my current one fine, but there's probably another one coming.
Yeah, I kind of suspect that there's another one coming because if you're Nintendo, you're all about charging a lot of money for things, and the Switch is like a $300 console. Is it $300 or $250 in the US? I can't remember. BestBuy.com. United States. I typed in .com, didn't I? Okay, Nintendo Switch.
$339?
$339. That's got to be a Canadian price. Yeah, it's $299. $299 in the US. So the OLED model is $349.
Did I get...
Now, if I'm Nintendo, why don't I want a piece of that $500 console pie? That's where the Switch Pro would come in. And maybe it doesn't, maybe you can't take it with you. I don't know. Maybe it's dock only. I have no idea what could be coming, but with 8K TVs out now and 4K TVs basically mainstream for anyone outside of the very, very bottom level of budgets, I think they can't ignore it forever. I mean, Nintendo really does try. Boy, do they ever make a solid effort to ignore technological advancements forever. But I think they're going to do something. I think they're going to do something.